Hey everybody, it's Wendy Leanne back with a haul. This time I went to Hobby Lobby and I am so surprised at, I think I said this in another video, I am so surprised that I'm still finding clearance stuff that I thought was already gone. Like I'm finding ribbon, I can't remember what else, but I'll tell you as I show you like some of the things that I thought, you know, they marked it down like a month ago and I thought it was all sold out, but I keep finding it for some reason. Okay, let's get started. So, and then a lot of stuff I just got was on sale, but there were a few things that were still clearanced. So I got 3 of the gilt eyelash yarn. So I got this really pretty amethyst pearl and the deep night. Can you imagine that on a Halloween project? Both of those on a Halloween project actually. And I opened this one because I used it recently on a project, but so I don't know what the name of that one is. Then I got this pretty blush colored crepe paper and some foam balls for making flowers. Then I also got the silver. And I got, in the wedding section, I got these wood hearts. Everything was 50% off in the wedding section when I was there. It usually goes on sale every other week for 50% off the his and hers line. So I think those will be cute to make different things with. And then these pretty ones from the wedding section. Oops, sorry about that. These are covered in lace. Aren't those pretty? Those would be gorgeous on an embellishment, like on a shabby chic or like a vintage or Victorian. I also found these there too. And I found this, and I wanted to try this in a shaker. I don't know if they're going to be too big and bulky, but they had them in different colors. These are called diamond confetti. So they're just little diamond shapes. Yeah, so here's something I found that was, I still found a clearance item. Oops, let me move some of this out of the way. I found a punch, normally $13.99 for $3.49. It's just a flower punch. I found, in the sewing section, I found 2 packs of rose gold eyelets for 62 cents. This was just yarn on sale. It wasn't on clearance or anything, but I thought this would be good to make a cupcake with because look how it has all the little sprinkles. Well, it would look like the cupcake. I'm imagining the cupcake would look like it had sprinkles. Then I found more of these paper clips, and I found this cute planner purse strap, and I wouldn't use it as a planner purse strap. I would actually use it as a purse strap for my purse. I thought that was really cute, and it was $3.24. Doesn't say how much. Oh, it was normally $12.99, I think. Then Tim Holtz was on sale, so I got some distress oxides. I got the Victorian Velvet, tumbled glass, shabby shutters. I found another one of the Happy Notes on clearance for $1.24. This is one of those situations where my husband put something in the basket. I don't know what it is. There's some kind of quick drying, smear resistant, vivid colored pens. So he likes to draw. So I'm imagining it might be for that. Then I found this trim on clearance. Let me wrap it up because it's on this big, huge spool. So this was on clearance for $2.48. And I found, like I said, I found a bunch more ribbons. So I found this pretty mint color, this pink one, these holographic crowns, This was 49 cents. This black for $1.49. They're flowers. Oh, I found these really pretty ones. This was $3.24. Look at that. With the AB crystals on it. So pretty. And I know this was not on clearance the first time I went because it was the same store and I went to it a couple of times. So I swear they've marked stuff down since I've been, or they've brought stuff out that they've found in the back. $3.24. That's the same one. I got 2 of them. They had a ton of them. Then this was $1.24. I got a pink polka dot one for 49 cents. This really pretty yellow flower one. And this one was $1.24. I found more of this unicorn one, which I absolutely love. And it was $1.74. I found this for 74 cents, has arrows on it. This flamingo one for 74 cents. These cute little sheep. Supposed to be little sheep stickers. And I found these pretty butterflies. These were on sale. Look at that one. Look at all the detail on that one. So pretty. All the colors. And I found these pretty butterflies in the sticker section. No, I found this in the Easter craft section. I take that back. And I got these cute bubblegum beads, bubblegum glitter beads. And I got some silver champagne holographic glitter. And just some eye pins. I don't really love using eye pins because I feel like they limit you, but I got them to try them out. These pretty shells, look at those. And I got a couple more distress inks. Let's see, I got Tattered Rose, Milled Lavender, and Chipped Sapphire. And I got another bag here. I got another one. I got Candied Apple. Okay, this was on sale and I bought it. It's a pearl trim, but all of them looked like this, like they all fell apart. So I'm gonna have to rewrap it. Let's see, did I find any more on sale? No, these are on sale, but they weren't on clearance. So this gorgeous glitter lace. And this tulle with confetti glitter. I think when I got these, they were all 50% off. I'm pretty sure, because I wouldn't have paid full price for them. Then I got the faux leather wide ribbon. I'm gonna try to make bows with that. I got it in this color. And this one. I got the white glitter lace. And the pink one. And I got these 2 faux leather ribbons. So there's like a rose gold and a purple. And I got this cute pink trim. This gold one. And a white one. And I got some more of the leather ribbon, but this time I got the baby pink and the mint. It's like a pebbled leather. And I got an extended cutting pad for my Sizzix machine. And these were on sale for like 50% off, so I got a corner rounder. And I got this leather ribbon. And I got 2 of the purples. And I got this little snowflake. Punch. And 2 more of the faux ribbon. These were like 50% off, I want to say. So they were only like 2 something a roll, which I thought was a really good deal. And I got a few more things. Let's see. If I can open this. There we go. I feel like something opened in here because it smells like it. Did it? Doesn't look like it. Okay. I got the Dragonfly Glaze color changing top coat. This is so pretty when you put it on black. And I got the Distress Oxide spray in tumbled glass and shabby shutters, I think. I got some folk art paints, acrylic paints. I got baby pink, summer peach, minted aqua, true burgundy, teddy bear brown. I love this color. I got one more paint. I got vintage white. Then my husband bought me some distressed oxides, and believe it or not, he did not get me any that I already had. I think I'm complete with the set now. I'm not 100% sure, but I think I'm close. So bundled sage, mustard seed. I love these for dyeing things. Carved pumpkin, gathered twigs, picked raspberry, vintage photo, and hickory smoke. Then I got one more thing that I don't know if it's going to show up in the picture. I just thought this in the video, because there's just so much on this table. Let's try it. But they had these on sale, these containers, and I thought this unicorn one was so pretty, so I grabbed it. I'll show you the lid to it because it might be easier to see the lid. But yeah, I got that too. How much were these? They were 50% off, so I think they were like $2.49 or something like that. They were either 50 or 40% off. So that was my Hobby Lobby haul. My advice to you is check back, because I know I'm seeing people hauling the fine arts and crafts, like the fine pens and art papers and things like that. Like that whole section is starting to go on clearance. And then I was watching Glued with Love Wendy last night on an Instagram haul, and she was on an Instagram live, and she had hauled a bunch of super cute stuff, little backpacks and bags and caboodles and what else, bracelets, and just all sorts of cute stuff on clearance, marked down as low as like the ribbons and the beads and stuff were a couple weeks ago. So I don't know where those are in the store, but I'm gonna look for them when I go. It's funny because on the live, everybody was like, oh, you mean, because they were asking her, like, where'd you get it from? And she was trying to describe it, and they were like, oh, you mean on the mystery aisle? And she's like, no, like, it's over here. And they're like, I don't have that aisle in my store, you know? It was funny. I think you had to be there. But anyway, this was my haul from Hobby Lobby. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you will like and subscribe and leave me a comment or a question if you have one. And most of all, have a great day. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.